Na may nagtanong dito, sabi niya, "Since I was a young adult, I have been wanting to shift to agripreneurship, but have put its yearning aside. Instead, worked my way up the career ladder in the corporate world because I have nothing to start with. I'm a breadwinner and need to provide for my family. Now I'm almost 50. That yearning remains. How will I know if it's safe to start anew from beginning to corporate world to agriculture?" Yung nagtanong, ito advice ko sa mga empleyado, sa mga tao who want to go into agriculture. 'Pag may lupa ka, mag-farming ka kasi may lupa ka na. 'Pag wala kang lupa, huwag kang magfa-farming kasi mahal ang farming. Bibili ka ng lupa, papagandahin mo pa yung lupa. Where did that yearning come from? That you go to agriculture. Almost everybody wants to go into agriculture. Why? Because God made us as farmers. I would often teach this to people at siguro nakita mo rin naman siguro sa lesson yon. I would always tell people that God created us to become fruitful. The first thing He told man was, be fruitful. And then He said, you cultivate and keep. God did not create us to hunt. God created us to farm. And that's a yearning that He has put in our hearts. All of us must become farmers. However, you do not have to farm a land. Ang suggestion ko sa iyo, whatever you've learned from the corporate world, gamitin mo. Gamitin mo to create a better business. Pero pag may lupa ka, go into farming. However, I need you to understand, matagal kumita sa farming. Kasi hindi lang lupa ang importante. Yung infrastructure inside the farm. And matagal ba yun ma-establish? Pero kung gusto mo, you go ahead. Pero when you go ahead, make sure you have the patience, mga 3 to 5 years bago kikita yan. But that's basically the same as in any business. 3 to 5 years bago kumita. So prepare yourself for that. But the yearning to all become farmers, lahat ng tao tanungin mo, anong gusto mo pag nag-retire ka? Everybody will say farming. Konting-konti lang ayaw. Yung mga sasabihan ko na huwag ka mag-farming pag wala kang lupa. However, you can use what you've learned, farm it. Anong farm it? Use it to create wealth. The farming pa rin siya.